story of apartment 431's fridge. So back in the day, last summer, our fridge blew up.
Mandy?
I'm writing a letter to Santa, telling him what I want this year.
What do you want this year?
That's a secret.
What are you doing, Michael?
I am writing a letter to Santa.
What do you want this year? Is it also secret?
No. I want a nice big tractor.
They obviously knew each other to get married, so...
What else did you need?
Smoke, everything, an explosion. So we called the colony, obviously something was wrong, and they said, "What did you do?" I don't know, our fridge blew up.